Malo soifua. And you know how you know something already, but you've been doing it for so long, you don't even think about it. You just do it. Well, this blew my mind. An 8-year-old girl named Heather from Ramstein, Germany, she messaged me through her dad and said, I finished the Samoan sentence structure course, but I have a lot of questions because I have a list of words and I don't know where they're supposed to go because they're not verbs. Then the kid starts getting technical with big English class words like predicate and participle and noun qualifiers and stuff like that, and I was lost. The reason I don't mention those kind of words is because right offhand, I don't know what they are. Like I gotta look them up to jog my memory. And when kids get to like second and third grade, that homework gets pretty hard. Anyway, I said, send me some of those words. And then she sends me a list of emotions: happy, fiafia, sad, fa'anonoa, mad, ita, and description type of words like slow and skinny and stuff like that. So the sentences were basically like, I was sad, he is skinny. Well, in Samoan, it's different from English in several ways. And here's one. When you put a description type of word with these tense markers, remember the tense markers? Those descriptive words combined with the tense marker turns into a verb or action phrase, right? It turns into a phrase, an action. So for example, if you say, he was happy, you take your word fiafia and connect it directly to one of your past tense markers, na or sa. Na fiafia means happy, and was is a verb. So you don't see a word like was in Samoan because the tense marker takes care of all of that for us. I didn't actually know that because it's just something that I automatically did. Fiafia lava Heather in Ramstein, Germany for that. I actually lived in Frankfurt and Hanau when I was a kid, so I know your city well because we had to fly in and out of there to get to America. The word of the day is fesoasoani, or help. Heather, Fiafia mo le fesoasoani mai yakeao. Thank you so much for your help that you give it to me. Fiafia lava mo le awa noa.